Callia is the best new experience sending flowers. So all online ordering, just 3 bouquets at a time based on what's in season that we rotate out every couple weeks. And they're delivered in these beautiful boxes that make people cry sometimes. So pretty special experience. A couple years ago, one of my best friends got promoted and I wanted to send her flowers. And it was spend like 15 minutes on the phone trying to describe what I wanted and then like $100 to have it delivered, or else go to the local grocery store and buy some awful bouquet that was probably about to die and deliver it myself. And that was the light bulb moment that somebody had to bring digitization and a better experience into flowers. And that's how Callia was born. When I first wanted to start Callia, we knew we had to have an online ordering component because that's kind of the core of our brand. And I think I stumbled across Shopify. It was a couple years ago and it felt like a platform that I could do fairly easily. We realized that as we were growing, Shopify wasn't meeting the needs on its own. And so because that recipe for e-commerce in flowers and for Callia is very different than your traditional e-commerce, we've had to invest in partnering with people like Bold on using applications to deliver that. So a classic example would be product options, which we use a lot. So we've got to collect the name of the recipient, the address of the recipient. We've got to make sure we've got customized delivery rates, and then all of the different product combinations that work with that. So you're ordering one bouquet, well, what size? Do you want to have a vase? Any extra add-ons? What about delivery rates? There's all these components that we use product options to be able to deliver on. How do you make the customer experience as smooth as possible? And for us, it's using apps like Bold to be able to do that.
Bold kind of makes Shopify go to another level just with the additional features that they have that aren't part of the basic feature set. And it really saves us time of development cost, development time to have to build all those things custom. Bold kind of takes that load and provides it to their customers to be able to scale at a high level and kind of get features or get functionality that we wouldn't originally have.
So one of the ways that we've also disrupted the floral industry is with subscriptions. So being able to order flowers monthly, bi-weekly, every couple months if you're trying to pretend that you're surprising someone. And so to do that effectively, we've had to integrate some apps, and particularly Bold subscriptions, to be able to deliver on that customer experience in a subscription context. So subscriptions for us has been a big revenue driver, a huge help on the back end from a volume perspective, but also huge time savings to be able to get those orders out to customers in a way that works for them and works for us. I really like working with Bold because it feels like we're growing together. So as we have more and more needs, Bold is building apps and different integrations of apps to be able to solve those needs. And the Bold guys are really great. Like, they're real people building an awesome business straight out of the prairies. And I think for me, that gives us a lot more confidence around good people trying to do their best, just like we are, to make things different, to disrupt a bit, and to help change how e-commerce looks. We really appreciate that.